Here I've got HUAWEI Honor 20 and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer and then click on the more icon, which is 3 dots 1 in the right upper corner. Then select blocked, and now you can set some call block rules or message block rules. So let me open call block rules, and now you can block all incoming calls. Then you can also block all strangers and block unknown and hidden numbers. Obviously you can do just the same thing in messages, so just block the strangers by tapping on the switcher. You can also add some particular contact to the blacklist. Simply click on the settings icon and now go to the blacklist. So it's the third tab. And now if you click on add, you can add manually some number. So let me show you. Just enter the number that you would like to block, click on OK, and from now on this number will not be able to reach you. Then click on add. You can also match prefix, add from contacts, add from call log, and add from messages. So this is how you can easily add some number to the blacklist, so you will not receive any calls or messages from it. You can also delete this number from this blacklist by tapping on it and then click on remove. Confirm that you would like to remove this number from the blacklist, and from now on this number will be able to contact you. So that is all. This is how you can easily block a number and also remove it from the blacklist. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.